Hi. What do you get if you cross a vampire with a snowman? Frostbite!
Two cannibals are sitting down for lunch. One says, "What are we having?" The other one says, "We're eating clown today." The other one says, "I don't like that, it tastes funny."
Why were the teacher's eyes crossed? Because she couldn't control her pupils.
Two flies are playing football in a saucer. One says to the other, "Make an effort, we're playing in the cup tomorrow."
A guy walks into Asda and picks up some lamb. He walks out the shop, but the security guard chases him and says, "Oi, mate, what are you doing with that?" The guy turns around and says, "Potatoes and carrots."
A waiter delivers this cup of coffee to a man at a table in a really posh hotel. The man takes a sip of the coffee, spits it out. He turns to the waiter and says, "This coffee tastes of mud." The waiter turns around and looks surprised, and he says to the guy, "Well, sir, that's because it's freshly ground."
Last night, I went out for a curry. I ordered a shish kebab and a lamb madras with 2 chapatis. After I'd finished my starter, I was halfway through my main, when a little old lady came up to me and said, "You are a very polite young lady and dressed so smart. You have such lovely manners and you're so very beautiful too. Would you like a nice cup of cocoa and a chalky biscuit as well? Such a lovely person." And I said, "Who the hell are you?" And she replied, "I'm the complimentary nan."
I was in the park at the weekend, watching these group of lads playing football. I couldn't work it out. The ball just kept getting bigger and bigger and bigger. All of a sudden, it hit me.
I used to work in a bank, and one day this old lady came in and asked me to check her balance. I saw her around the other side of the counter and pushed her over.
Two children from Springwell Leeds North site were arrested by police the other day. One was eating batteries and the other one was eating fireworks. They charged one and let the other one off.
Right, there's 2 sausages in a frying pan together. One turns to the other one and says, "Oh, it's a bit hot in here, isn't it?" The other one says, "Ah, talking sausage!"